following us.
The deer wants to play.
And I can play.
The bee wants to play.
Why don't you?
Look here. Look here. Gabby, look at me. Ayan, diba? Lisa.
Are we going back to the
I'm going down with my loves. See, why don't you?
But you're not going down. Lovely, you said.
Oh, para sa mga mountain biker.
Nobody said that. You are lying again.
But I can do it because you are not doing it.
Whoa!
Yung cellphone mo, tama na nga yan.
Stop!
Tama na yung cellphone mo, dear.
Bakit?
Malaglag pa yan eh. Malaglag.
Mommy, we
are
stop.
We're stuck! We're not moving here.
Yay. No, that's they did.
Did you enjoy?
No!
That's good to know.
Very worth of
At least next time we'll not bring you with us. Only Gabby, because Gabby is enjoying.
Isa kayo dito review?
No!
Going down.
We're going down and I don't like this.
So here's the
I'm feeling dizzy, shaking and shaking.
Can you please let us down?
You just go straight forward down and no more shaking.
No more rocking.
See? How come it still looks the same?
Bili pa ako sa mga bikers kung sakasaya sila doon.
We're not moving!
Just look
Then
down.
why are the trees moving? Can you please
The
listen?
world!
I want to race.
Wait, no, I can't.
Be careful because we're jerking.
Yeah, we are stopping. Sure. And you might throw out in the garbage. Wala man na upuan. Hello, pwede naman magkaupuan.
Hello ka pa sa dalilog.
For the convenience of the elderly.
Convenience. Elderly. Mag-i-ski. Gumulong sila pababa. That's the golf. Mini golf. Windy. It's so windy. You know rock climbing? Now we're down here. Give it back to Gabby. We're down and all the jerking Gabby holds. We're down.
Move away from the tree.
Now we're down
To the
here.
open.
Gabby,
Okay.
take it.
Shake it, shake it.
Okay. You're down, Gabby. Did you enjoy?